Welcome to J&J's test video for S7HU172. This is an 07 Victory Red H2 WS2 limited edition with all the body color and extra roof racks and all that. It has 177,000 miles on it. Also has the carbon fiber interior. We sell those all the time. Backup camera, the sunroof works. Just all the good Hummer stuff. This is actually a really nice truck, and if I was in the market for one, man, these are the way to go. It has an aftermarket head unit. It's got an auto climate control that works. Somebody put some LEDs in. Driver mirror does work. Alright, shifter, sun visor, seats. I'll be selling these as a pair. They work back and forth. Has that little bitty tear right there, but that's no big deal. Has some custom DVD headrests in it. Oh. Got all this red. We'll give you a test drive and get on the way. Transmission seems good. Transfer case works. The spare tire does not latch. It always just keeps popping out because the carrier is bad. Through all the gears. I'll show you the transfer case works while we're here. Reverse. Back in the neutral, low. Turn the air on in here. It's freaking hot. There we go. Now we're in low. Go back to high. Oh, hey, it's within gear again. There we go. Alright. That'll do it for what is S7HU172 07 H2 Special Edition. All right. We'll walk around and that'll be it. I got it all muddy today. The carrier will not latch back there. I think it's because it's off kilter or something. Got a Corsa muffler on it. This is a nice truck. Doors all rocked, but set of 5 wheels. And there you go. S7 HU172 Victory Red '07 Special Edition. As always, thank you for watching.